The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami-Dade County Emergency Management and the Florida Emergency Management Agency. A mandatory evacuation order has been issued for all residents within a 75-mile radius of the Turkey Point nuclear power plant. At approximately 6:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a power outage has occurred at the plant, which could pose a potential threat of a meltdown. Due to the possible threat of a meltdown, all residents within the mentioned radius of the Turkey Point nuclear power plant are advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, tie a white towel or cloth to a visible part of your home, to notify your civil authorities that you have obeyed the evacuation. Make sure you have food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate the area in a calm manner, and do not panic as it will only make the situation worse. Please stay tuned for further updates on this very dangerous situation.